Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a update to what to the situation of the Fall Careers update. So basically, we have new numbers today from AdDuplex showing us that 85% of Windows 10 users have now moved to the Fall Careers update, which is pretty good numbers, basically. And so the adoption is actually better than was with the Creators update at the same period of time when we were about a month off of Fall Careers update. So it's good news. So you are 15% right now still on another version of Windows 10. Like I would like to say, Microsoft did once again say, you know what, you can safely update your machine manually if you want to just go to the Windows update, to the Windows website, and then just upgrade from the Windows 10 page, and you'll be able to upgrade. It seems that Microsoft just says, well, if you don't see it, you can force it. It should be okay. Now, there are probably some reasons why you don't see it. Some people might not see it just because for some reason it's not showing up, and of course it's okay. There probably are some that don't see it because of some little glitch or something that is preventing the appearance of the Fall Careers update. But if you believe Microsoft, for the most part, you can actually force update if you want and get to the Fall Careers update. Of course, if you are on a other version like Creators update, for example, well, you still, even if you don't upgrade to Fall Careers update, you still are okay. You get security updates and no problem there. But we are a month off, so that means that the 85% has found Fall Careers update, which hopefully might actually reach even closer to 90% sometime in the next month, will, of course, with time, have the new update. We're a month away from that, and as we are, February 21st, that means insiders will probably have it in about a month's time now, and early April, the rollout to everybody will start. Of course, going on slowly at first to make sure that everything updates okay, but go on and go faster and faster. So 85% is the new number of Fall Careers update users on Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.